Premium rigid box production. Are you still relying on traditional manual box making methods? It's time to upgrade your efficiency. Let us show you the ultimate packaging solution. This is our fully automatic splicing box forming machine. It completely revolutionizes traditional gift box production. Process 1. No manual splicing. Simply feed single flat boards directly into the machine. Process 2. No corner taping. The machine completes the precise forming in just one step. Process 3. Fully automatic assembly line. This significantly reduces your labor, workspace, and material costs. Automatic paper feeding and precision gluing. Robotic arms automatically pick and place individual cardboard pieces. Precise positioning of the boards onto the glued cover paper. Automatic folding and forming in one continuous step. Look at the finished rigid box, perfect edges and a smooth finish, without any corner taping. Our high-speed continuous production line significantly saves labor and time. Stable performance designed for the mass production of premium gift boxes. Detailed view, the mechanical arms tightly wrap the paper around the cardboard. Advanced sensor technology ensures zero-error accuracy for every single box. Interested in this machine? Contact us today to learn more details.